In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Microsoft Edge to automatically offer translations for web pages that aren't in a language you read. This is a handy feature that can enhance your browsing experience by breaking down language barriers with just a few clicks. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Once that's done, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a set of three horizontal dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with several options for your browser. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Now, this will navigate you to a new page filled with various settings to customize and tailor your browsing experience according to your needs. On the left side of the settings page, you'll notice a sidebar with different categories to choose from. What you need to do next is click on Languages. This section will help you manage all the language-related settings for your browser. Now that you're on the Languages page, it's time to look for a specific option. You'll be scanning for the feature labeled Offer to Translate Pages that aren't in a language I read. It's straightforward once you find it. There will be a toggle switch on the right side of this option. If this feature is currently turned off, you'll want to enable it by clicking the toggle switch to the On position. The switch might change color, usually to indicate activation, and that's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings so that Microsoft Edge will now offer to translate web pages for you automatically when you come across content in a language you don't understand. Before we wrap up, let's cover a handy tip. Once you've turned this feature on, it works seamlessly in the background. However, if there's a specific website that you visit frequently and prefer not to have translated, you can usually choose to never translate this site when the translation prompt appears directly on the web page. This adds an additional layer of customization and control over how you view content on the web. And there you have it. With this simple adjustment, you can browse the internet more effortlessly without language ever getting in your way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this feature helps make your browsing experience even more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial useful, consider liking and subscribing for further tips and tricks to optimize your tech life. Until next time,